Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you guys how to add a table of contents in Word. So let's get into it. All right, here I am in Word, and I just created this page for the table of contents. To add the table of contents, I will go to the top tabs and click on the one titled References. Right here, we have Table of Contents. I will click on that. Then I will select the first style. And that automatically added a table of contents to our documents. Now, the Word document can identify all of the chapters and pages because we formatted the pages properly. For example, the table of contents pages do not have all of the preliminary pages. If we want to add them to the table of contents, we can do that. For example, the abstract page can be added. To do that, up on the top tab, you want to be on Home. Then in this section called Styles, we've got all sorts of formatting styles. If I click on Heading 1, then it will make this text Heading 1. When I go back to the table of contents, now I will click on Update Table, and then update the entire table. Now the abstract page will be added to the table of contents. If we go back to the page, you will discover that the text is in blue and the formatting is not the same as our document. So I will undo all of the changes. What I like to do is format my headings the way I want. For example, I will right-click on Heading 1 and click Modify. Now I will change the text font to Times New Roman, make the text bold, align the text to the center, and change the color to black. Then click on OK. So when I make the abstract page Heading 1, it keeps all of the formatting. I will go ahead and make all of the preliminary pages Heading 1. Now when I click on Update Table, update the entire table. All of the preliminary pages have been added. Lastly, for the chapter pages, I will make this introduction Heading 1. Then I will change the formatting for Heading 2 and Heading 3 to match the formatting of the texts. I already showed you how to do this with Heading 1. All right, I will make this Heading 2 and also do this to all of the sections in this chapter. Here we have 1.3 as Heading 2. I will make 1.3.1 and 1.3.2 as Heading 3. Now, when we go back to the heading and then update the table, you can see that all of the changes are automatically updated. You can do the same for all of the chapters in this document. So that's how to create a table of contents in Word. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Click the screen to watch other useful videos.